Welcome to Gate Depot's installation of our exclusive swing gate kit. Be sure to call 811 before you dig to prevent hitting buried utilities. These are the simple tools you will need to install the gate kit. No welding is necessary. Always use protective eye goggles when working on this project to prevent injuries. Use this diagram to obtain the measurements needed for your gate installation. The post holes should always be square. This prevents the movement of the post rounding out and enlarging the holes, leading to failure. You may want to pause the video and look closely at this diagram. Measure the distance between the posts. This should be the length of the gate plus 1.5 inch for the hinge spacing and the same for the spacing between the passive posts. If you're installing a biparting gate, include 3/4 to 1 inch spacing between the leaves. This installation is for a single 14-foot gate. We added 1.5 inch to both sides, making it a total of 14 foot 3 inches. Mark the location of the inside of the post. Center the post location in the holes. Dig the holes 36 inches deep. Place a paver brick at the bottom of the hole. This prevents the bottom of the steel being exposed to the earth, which will cause rusting. You can see in this photo the result of steel making contact with the earth. If you have sandy, clay, or loamy soil conditions, you may consider using outriggers on the hinge side. Unpack the posts. Place post in the hole. Install hinge brackets. Center the bracket in the bolt slots. Almost all driveways have a side-to-side grade for water runoff. The uphill side of the gate should have a minimum of 3 inches space beneath it. If the hinge side is on the high side of the driveway, a measurement of 2.5 inches from the ground to the top side of the bracket will result in a space of about 4 inches below the gate. Fasten the braces to the post. Use cardboard between the clamp and the post to prevent damage to the finish. Do not attach braces to stakes until most of the leveling and height adjustments have been made. Make rough spacing adjustments between posts. Measure the bottom first, then the top. These adjustments will be finalized after braces are attached to the stakes. When installing single gates, the top of the hinge side post should be tilted away from the gate by an additional 1/4 inch. This is for deflection. Use a string to align both posts so that they are parallel to each other. Use a string level or a laser level to adjust the height of the post so that they are equal. When using a laser level, make the first mark from the top of the post to the laser aperture. The mark on the other post is the same height from the top. Check levels again and make adjustments as needed. Drive the stakes in. Fasten braces to stakes. Place protective caps over stakes for safety. Make final leveling adjustments. Install wiring in post if lighting option is used. Mix and pour concrete. Make one final check on levels to make sure that nothing has shifted during the concrete pouring. Rinse off any concrete splatters. Concrete will damage the powder coat finish if not removed. Cover the concrete with earth or plastic. This will slow the drying process for a stronger concrete curing. Unpack the gate. Install hinge pins and tighten the hex screws. If you're automating the gate with the linear style gate operator, install the stop plate on the bottom hinge. Install the bearings on the top and bottom. You will need to tighten the hex screw on the bottom so that it does not slide off. Bolster the bottom of the gate so that it is close to level with the hinge bracket. Bolt on the bottom hinge first. Make sure that the hinge bracket is bolted to the post with the bolts in the middle of the slots. Slide the top hinge bracket to meet the bearings, then tighten the bolts. Use a lever to level the gate. Tighten top bearing bolts. Check level again with gate hanging on hinge and make any needed adjustments. Finish tightening the bottom bolts. Add a blank post cap or a light collar post cap for lights. Install positive stops if you are installing a linear style gate operator. Adjust stop against the stop plate. Install operator saddle on post. Note that many brands and styles of linear operators may be used with these brackets. Use a level to get it approximately in line with where the operator will be located. Hang operator. Make sure the pin has the threads facing down. This will make removal possible. Drive in hex screw. Release operator lock using the key. Extend arm all the way out by pulling. Make sure pinhole on the end is facing down. Engage operator lock. Turn end of arm one full rotation clockwise. Pinhole should still be facing down when done. Install end bracket. Make sure pin has threads facing out. Mark placement of bracket. Mark holes. Drill pilot hole, then full-size hole. Bolt on bracket. Insert pin and hex screw. Level operator by loosening the sliding post saddle. The operator should be tilting down by 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch to prevent rain from entering. Install radio receiver using Tek screws. Install operator control box brackets. Fasten control box to brackets. Install circuit board. Drill wire entry holes in control cabinet. Fasten solar bracket if solar option is used. Wire and radio receiver. Fasten wires to post using cable ties. Wire your operator as per diagram. For solar operation, connect the solar panel to the appropriate terminals on the control of your operator. For 110 volt operation, plug the transformer power supply into the terminal. Install photo eye and reflector 24 inches above grade. Install photo eye on the same side as the gate control. Program key fob transmitter as per instructions. If keypad is used, program as per instructions. Your gate is now complete. Enjoy! At Gate Depot, you will find the largest selection of gate products on the planet at the best prices, and always someone to personally help you with your project.